What's going on, guys? This is Lookman right here. Here's what happened. You guys see this shirt? It says 2 Common Club X. Let me tell you the story behind this. Back in March of this year, 2018, I attended Funnel Hackers Live, put together by ClickFunnels, Russell Brunson and ClickFunnels, back in Orlando, Florida. I was still working as a registered nurse at that time. That was back in March of this year. So around the 3rd of May this year, I quit my job as a nurse because everything I learned from over there, I just thought it was time for me to put it to practice. Then I joined the 2 Common Club X coaching club, which is a club put together by Russell Brunson to help you reach $1 million in your business. And I started taking action on what we're actually being taught in this club back in June of this year. And between June and now, let me show you guys something. We're going to go to my Stripe account together. And if someone tells you this is not possible, tell them it's not true. Their line is possible. Okay, let's go to Stripe. Gonna go to Stripe together, and I will show you what I've been able to do between actually taking action between June and now, June of 2018 till now, September 6th, 2018. All right, let's sign in. It's a dashboard. All right. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys something right now that will blow your mind. And keep in mind, I quit my job 3rd of May 2018. I attended Funnel Hackers Live in March. I quit my job May 3rd, 2018, and I started taking action at the end of June. Between then and now, I'm at $21,985. Doing real work, not some get rich quick kind of freaking thing, but applying things that I learned from the 2 Common Club between June and now September 6th, I've made over almost $22,000. And I guarantee you guys, by this time around next year, I will be crossing over 1 million, which is what the 2 Common Club X is actually designed to do. It's designed to help you cross over $1 million and beyond in your business. How am I able to do this? Because I apply everything that I learned in 2 Common Club X to form my own company, ViraAdMedia.com, helping entrepreneur get more leads and also helping them strategize in terms of their funnel. But that's not what is important. How can you also between 3 months make up to $21,985? And I'm going to show you in the next 30 days. Russell Brunson, who is my mentor, is bringing all these people, all these mega marketers together, all these people. If you guys do Amazon or Shopify, you already know this guy. Liz Benson is from Australia. This guy right here. All these people down, I know this guy personally. This is one of our coaches, Julie Stoyan, is bringing all these people that have been able to do more than $1 million in their business paying June. If you don't know him, go Google him. Is bringing them down. Harry is bringing all of them together for the next 30 days for free. Free of charge. You don't have to pay anything. All you have to do is click on the link below. It will take you to a website where you can register with your email to attend this free live summit. They will be teaching you everything they know about marketing for the next 30 days for free. All you have to do is when you get on that site, just click on register with your email, and that's all you need. And you will be able to be on your way to making this much and beyond within 90 days. I've been able to make this. This is unbelievable. Actually, now 90 days. This is still September. Between 60 days, I've been able to make this. And I just signed another contract for $58 and $700 and some dollars with another company just last week. All of this can be you too, guys. But you don't have to even pay to be part of this 2 Common Club X coaching club. You can just join this and enjoy all this free content right now by clicking on the link below. That will take you to the website where you have to register with your email and listen to all this content that all these people right here will be giving for the next. I know Akbar Sheikh. If you do anything online, you should know some of this guy. They will be teaching you for free for the next 30 days. And all you have to do is to click on the link below, register with your email, and you'll be on your way to having a dashboard, Stripe dashboard that looks like this in the next 30 to 60 days. I wish you guys success. If you really want to take this seriously, this is the best opportunity you can ever have click on the link below. Go ahead and register with your email so you can have access to all these wonderful marketers and let them dump all their knowledge on you for free. You don't have to pay a dime to get that done. All right, I wish you guys well. Do not forget, click on the link below and subscribe to the channel, because I promise to be bringing you way more beautiful things that will help you in your journey to become an entrepreneur. Please go ahead and make this happen for yourself, okay? You have a good one.